Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing with the brand new stamps from Rubber Dance and with Distress inks. I used the mixed media dies from Tim Holtz to create texture on the background. I start by applying the die cuts with gel medium. I'm currently working in my index card art journal, and when I have done all the pages, I will bind a little book by adhering the back sides of each page to the other. When everything is dry, I go in with the Distress Crayons. I blend them with my finger. Sometimes I wet my finger with a baby wipe just to make it easier to blend the paint. I'm taking away some of the crayons with a wet baby wipe. This lets the texture pop even more. I stamped the cat and the dog from the Rubber Dance stamp set to watercolor paper and color the animals in with Inktense Pencils. To add more interest to the background, I use some acrylic ink and sprinkle some black splatters to the page. I also use some turquoise and white ink. The set comes with some cute footprints. I used them also to add interest to the background. I glue down the images after I've cut them out. I add some words from the Tim Holtz sticker sheet. Here are the finished pages. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!